The Core Plus program is a great opportunity for students to explore or prepare for their future, and it's a great way for them to get hands-on experience with a lot of technology in the classroom that they will see out in industry.
I really like the hands-on learning of the Core Plus programs because I can explain my ideas through projects and I can show what I've learned.
I like how the Core Plus program sets up students to be able to go into the workforce with some knowledge of the criteria and tools.
Students learn a variety of soft skills and hard skills in the Core Plus curriculum. Some of the soft skills they're learning is how to be on time, how to be accountable to each other during group projects, how to make sure they're being efficient with their class time because it is a very independent structure with different things going on in the classroom.
My typical day, just based on what I do, is I'll usually hop on a computer, design something up in a CAD program. Once you get the design built up, you take it to one of the CNC machines or you take it to whatever you transform it into and then create it. It's pretty cool being able to design something in a computer and then watch it kind of come to life.
Students come here 2 or 3 times a week. We have an alternating double block schedule. Minimum twice a week. They're still spending 2 hours and 40 minutes with us each day. There are a wide variety of next steps for students. We have a direct internship pathway for certain employers here in town and on the I-5 corridor. And students also have the capabilities of using this as a foundational class to explore or prepare for their future. Then we can really dive deeper and treat it more of a preparatory experience for the student.
This class helped me realize that I wanted to go into welding because I had the opportunity to go out there and practice and try it out. I plan to go to a technical college after this. It's helped me figure out what I want to do.
Right after I graduate, I'm going to go into an apprenticeship for being an electrician, and then beyond that, once I kind of have one-on-one experience there, I want to go to BTC for electrical engineering.
I wanted to be a NASA aerospace engineer, and I thought this class would be perfect in furthering that career choice.
I recommend students to take the Core Plus program so they can learn something new. Specifically around aerospace, we can get them industry standards and industry skills, or if they want to just try something new, we try and get their hands on every machine in the shop, and then they can decide what they enjoy and go forward from there.